Hari Om. Yoga has been claiming that we use only one part of our brain and 9 parts of our brain are latent. Science debunked this claim, and it was only around the 1990s that some scientists took up this claim and did the research on it, and what they found was the truth was somewhere in between. They did an experiment with rats, and what they did was they snipped off a whisker, and they found that in compensation for the neurons that were connected to this whisker, there were some latent neurons which became active. Therefore, they came to the conclusion that we do have a storehouse of latent and dormant neurons which are triggered under certain situations, and one of the situations is your sustained practice of yoga, and this sustained practice awakens these latent parts of your brain, and therefore you see that people have different capacities of their mental possibilities. This was again something in which both science and spirituality arrived at the same conclusion. We will keep exploring the world of chakras and the Kundalini Shakti within us. Do read what I just told you about in this book on Kundalini Yoga in the chapter on the brain. And do join me in March 2025 in the Himalayas for a Kundalini Yoga retreat. The details are in the description. Stay healthy, stay happy. Hari Om, Tat Sat.